Hello viewers, today we are coming to look at some kind of beeping fault that this machine is having. It's beeping because of some kind of wrong memory, and then and then so on, so many things. So you watching out there, we are coming to find out what's wrong with the machine step by step, so that we know how to solve it. And then, so let's get started. I'm coming to turn the machine. This machine is from one of my clients, so I'm coming to turn it on, and you and I will take notice of what is going on within the machine. Maybe I might not be. So let's take a look. Let me power it. I have the power here, the slot thing, and then also the cable everything is intact. So let me just turn it on, and then let's see how it's behaving. Oh, I can hear it, the beeping, ping, some kind of noisy beeping. I hope you can hear it out there. So this kind of beeping, so many things, based on so many factors. So we are coming to verify what are the problem, or what is the problem. So we take the step by step. It will involve in some kind of processes. So first you have to take the power out of the power pack, so that then we trace the fault. Okay, so taking the power out first. Before then, like the last week, in my last video, it seems like I explained the reason why certain things like beeping goes on. Some of them, if you have no idea, go and watch about the difference between between hard disk and memory. Okay, so watch or search for it. So beeping like this is based on many factors. Okay, so it might be maybe RAM, which is the memory, or what, something else, or the board is faulty, or something is not sitting well, like some kind of external stuff like CPI, which are those ones we haven't gotten there yet, so I can't explain a lot about it. So today we are on, let's just deal with the memory, and I'm sure that's the problem. This kind of problem normally happens when the memory is faulty. So let me open up the machine so that we'll see. Let me make you see what from within. So here I've opened. Let me open this side, and then let's see whether viewers, right, please may you forgive me, I have some kind of background distraction, so if in case, but I'm trying so hard to let my voice speak out loud so that you can hear me. Okay, so that's as we proceed. So I'm opening this side so that we can see everything clear, and then know where we are attacking. So let me get the camera closer so that we can see everything clearly. Oops. Okay, so okay, so here we are. So let me clear the display so that we can see. The time will come, we will know all their part and then what they do. This cable, what is the name? See the cable. Okay, you can see the cable. This, what is the name called? Okay, responsibility. So this video is for you out there which is trying to learn or know more about, trying to be an IT or a student, that you can fix your own machine and stuff. Okay, so a gamer or anybody, him or herself as a technician. So let's take the memories out. Know where we are. Okay, so you press it backwards, then you remove it. Okay, that's how we go about it. So this is the first one. Let me put it here. This is the second one. Press it back, take it off. Okay, so sorry, now we have taken all the memories out. So let me arrange the camera up so that you can see everything. So now we have two 4 slots, as I was saying the other day. Some of them are 4 slots. Let me zoom in so that you can see what we have 4 slots here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there are 4 slots. As I was saying the other day, this one is a desktop, like desktop, a bigger, it's not laptop. So yes, they have longer memory like this, or long memory, whatever, with 2 gig. This one is 2 gig, you can see. So we are coming to sometimes dust. Because of that, so we'll be cleaning them. Let's clean the slot and see. It might be a dust causing it. Sometimes it's dust, not it might be. It's a dust causing those things sometimes. So keeping it clean also, that would work. So now we are done with the cleaning. So now you have to bring in some kind of any paper at all. Okay, any paper. Okay, the paper should be a bit hard or harder and clean. And you hold the memory stick like this. This is our strategy. We don't teach out there. And you go like this small for you to see everything. You hold the memory stick like this. Then you hold it like this. Then you scratch. Is this scratch or white? That you know, write it in the comment section. You go and scratch. Oh, you do all this. Now we are done with the first one. Let us insert it and then see the difference whether it will be working or not. Okay, so let's go ahead and then put it inside. Press it hard. Okay, let me remove it and show you how to put the memory. For some of it will be a problem. This is the memory. Okay, the line here. Make sure the line, you see this one, the line is here. Here is shorter than this place. Okay, so check where is short and where is not. So the short side go to the short side and the longer side go to the longer side. Okay, so and this machine is PC2 or is PC3. Sorry, I'm confusing myself. I was about to PC3. As I was saying the other day, you see the PC3 is there. So and you set it back in the slot. You slot it back. You press it hard. Okay, I've seated. Sometimes when you even finish pressing it, you see that it will lock by itself, or if it doesn't lock, then you close it for. Okay, so let's now power the machine and see only this one. Will it work? Will it work or not? So let's check. Let's put back the power and then turn it on and see whether we solve the problem or not. On it. Let me turn it on. Okay, I'm waiting. Oh, voila, it have come. It have appeared. No, so it have come. It have appeared on the screen. See, voila, it have appeared on the screen. Okay, so it have appeared on the screen. So there it is. It have appeared, so it have come. So now let's do the same thing with the second one. Let's turn the machine off again so that it won't cause any damage. So we are turning them. We turn it off. So let me unplug the power so that we'll be sure it's off. This is the second one. It's like I have them many here. Some of them are spots, so I don't know. This is the second. Okay, looks like I kept the memories here. Okay, so the second one is here. Okay, so let's see the second one. So let's do the same thing to the second one. Or wiping or logging. You that you are in UK, US, Canada, Australia, show up in the comments. Write how you go about this method. I know you are upgraded a bit, so maybe you have your own way of dealing with this kind of problem. So writing, because this is the way we normally go about this with the technician. So okay, so I just finished wiping. So So when you are done, you see some kind of blackish or something. So then you put it back. Okay, let's put it back. So I come to put it back. Insert it. So you can hear the sound by yourself. So it's inserted. So now we are good. We are good to go. So let's power it and then see what we've done is right. This is what none of they wouldn't like to show you technicians, because this strategy is what we used to. It's not, we don't normally show technicians like customers what we do out there. So voila, it have also come. So if the other one is not working, if the second one is not working, or one of them is not working, it will shadow the other one. But here lies the case, it will only beep one, then it will show up some kind of details like press this and press that. So no, if the memory is not working, it will be beep. If it's not working, it will be making that kind of red light beeping, continuously beeping. Okay, ping 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 ping, and then disturbing you. So and then sometimes not all that, like not all of the memory which are spoiled, but not all the time. Sometimes like all of them might be spoiled. Maybe one can be damaged. So you need to. So if, for instance, maybe these two memory. Sometimes when I fix two memory like this, one can be damaged. And then you know the funniest thing, when this one is damaged, when one is damaged, it will shadow the other one. So meaning whilst like one is damaged, that the other one have to work, then isolate itself from the non-working one. To shadow both of them will be sounding like they are all bad. So unless you identify it by this method, don't fix all at once. Do it one after the other to know the damaged one. Okay. Sometimes to the slots. Sometimes the slot goes spoiled, and then among them the slots they go by group. Like, so one thing I couldn't have time to explain more is cut. So you that are watching out there, make sure you subscribe, like and share. Okay, so as I was saying, as I've said earlier, so all the time make sure you check one after the other. Don't be in rush and then inserting, or you know which one is faulty. So do your best, and then one by one. On another time we handle the CMOS back. This is what we call CMOS back, and then you know what it does, and then we move to another. Processor is here, we tackle their functionality, and then what is the difference between RAM and ROM. Okay, so then we see what they all do, like their purpose in the machine. Okay, so this is a system. So in the system, each of them have their own purpose or their own rules they play. They all play certain rules. Okay, so by the way, if you are watching in the US, UK, Canada or Australia, may I know, and may I know where you watch, where you are, even in the whole globe, wherever you are watching from, may I know your name and then your comments, and so that this platform is for which people? Is for the one who want to acquire some kind of IT knowledge or computer technical knowledge. Okay, so and then grow his knowledge in this kind of machine field. Okay, and then a student, anybody who want to learn more about this kind of system and then troubleshoot stuff on his or her own, not only for some kind of professional, knows nothing about a beginner. Okay, have to necessarily join, but I think it will be good whether that person or you join. Okay, so that every day I can keep your back covered, growing your mind based on this kind of techniques, and then whatever you have to know. Because now let's assume, even when you are working in a company, you need to know this kind of stuff, so that one day when you are running your busy tasks, and then the machine began to fail you, like you have to know your way out, and then how to troubleshoot this kind of tip like small stuff. Okay, so nice, a good day, and then See you next time. Bye.